A new study finds that nearly half of the nation's drinking water contains potentially harmful forever chemicals. The substances have been linked to several serious health problems, including some cancers. However, new technology is now making it possible to eliminate these chemicals from the main water sources. Mark Strassmann has more.
Nasty cargo, 10,000 gallons of landfill water laced with PFAS, a known carcinogen that nothing could get rid of until now.
We are concentrating the nasty stuff to allow the annihilator system to treat it.
Not just treat PFAS, blast them out of existence. These so-called forever chemicals are man-made, used in Teflon, firefighting foam, even facial makeup, and previously indestructible.
This is where the PFAS go away.
Destroyed. That's correct.
Last year, we showed you Battelle, a nonprofit research institute doing a small-scale field test, distilling water into PFAS concentrate, the really nasty stuff, for destruction. It worked, a technological first, leaving behind water and salts harmless to the environment.
You've got to have enough force and energy to break those bonds.
Now another first, scaling that technology, like this forklift carrying the concentrate for treatment.
The PFAS annihilator lives inside this converted cargo container. With heat and pressure, it blasts the PFAS concentrate. These forever chemicals gone without a trace within seconds.
Here in Grand Rapids, this retooled water treatment plant is North America's first permitted PFAS remediation facility.
Were you convinced it would work?
We had a lot of hope that it would.
So how scalable is it?
It could be much more scalable, much larger than this.
This plant's treating 500,000 gallons a week.
The market seems virtually limitless.
This is only the tip of the iceberg of us being able to get this scalable technology to market and to customers.
For the first time, nothing about PFAS is forever. Mark Strassmann, CBS News, Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Kelly Smalling joins us now. She's a research hydrologist with the U.S. Geological Survey and one of the lead authors of the study. So, Kelly, just for those unfamiliar, which would include me, what exactly are these PFAS forever chemicals, and what are the risks associated with them?
So per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, or PFAS, they're a group of thousands of man-made chemicals. They're found in everyday items like non-stick cookware, firefighting foams, grease-resistant food wrappers, water-resistant clothing, among other things. And they're known as forever chemicals because it really takes a long time for them to break down in the environment. And they're present in the environment, and they're also present in our human bodies.
So this study, I'm just reacting to that idea that we're all carrying them around. This study was years long. How big of a sample pool was examined?
So we started, we've been doing this work since 2016. And back in 2021, we decided we needed a larger idea about PFAS exposure in our nation's tap water. So this is in your drinking water glass at your kitchen faucet. So in about 6 months, we were able to get a network of volunteers from about 400 participants across the country to collect samples for us. And then we combined that information with information that our group had collected previously for a total of 716 tap water samples from private wells and public supply nationwide.
And so, Kelly, just to go back to the question of if this is all in our water, how worried should we be?
Well, so first of all, the USGS, we're an unbiased science agency. So our job is to provide the public, to provide decision makers with the data and the information and allow folks to start that conversation. So we are asking people if they're concerned about what's in their tap water to reach out to their state and local public health officials, get informed, figure out ways of potentially testing their water and or look at means of treatment.
Does where I live determine my possible exposure to these forever chemicals, say urban versus rural?
Yes, so based on the results of our study, what we found were that PFAS were more frequently observed in tap water samples that were collected in or around urban areas, as well as areas with known sources of PFAS, like airports, industry, military installations, and wastewater treatment plants. So we saw less PFAS in rural areas.
Okay. And finally, Kelly, in terms of limiting PFAS, what steps are being taken to limit what you were able to find now? And are all of these chemicals still in their original forms, which is to say, is Teflon still being made the same way, makeup and candy wrappers and all that? Or has there been an effort to change the way in which the originating items are made, which might have a downstream, pardon the pun, effect on how much PFAS is in our drinking water?
So a lot of that information you're going to have to get from folks like EPA, especially if we're talking about regulation. There have been changes in the types of PFAS that are produced, but PFAS are still being manufactured in the U.S. And currently there are no federal regulations for PFAS, but states do have their own regulations. EPA has some proposed regulations for drinking water. So we'll see what happens through the public comment process.
All right, Kelly Smalling with the U.S. Geological Survey. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me.